Alright guys, we are here at the parade here in Redmond, Oregon, and it's 4th of July. So we're gonna be watching the parade. It's coming in here pretty soon.
Hi. Look, look. What's that?
Let's find a shirt in the bedroom.
Great shirts.
You gonna wave? You gonna wave?
Going straight that way.
Oh no. Taking a video. Hi, what you got? What you got? You got Tootsie Roll?
See, I told you there'll be change. It is. And that's an old Volkswagen. That reminds me of Walton's.
waving. Ooh, go pick it up. There's another one. Wow.
High five.
That's cool.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Oh, fancy. What you got? Wow. You're doing good. Alright guys, that's the parade. So I will see you guys later. We're gonna go to the park for picnic. Alright guys, we are here at the picnic. I'm cooking barbecue, chicken, hot dog, and hamburger. One, two, three. Hi. Hi guys. So the picnic is over with. So now I am driving to go see my friends. They're having a picnic as well. So we are going to spend time together for maybe a couple hours celebrating the 4th of July. So today is 4th of July. We are celebrating our Independence Day. So we're gonna go hang out for even just for a couple hours and then have to go home and spend time again with the family because we're having a fireworks going on tonight. So it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon right now. So I have 2 hours to spend time with my friends and then going back home. It's a beautiful day today, guys. Beautiful day, 4th of July. And I will see you guys later. Bye.
That's what we read. Happy red, white, and blue.
The affidavit of support is nothing more.
Ayan,
than
happy 4th everyone! Happy 4th! Hi, happy
you
4th!
have a job or not, who cares? But you promise to support
Happy
it.
4th!
If you don't, then you're in trouble.
Happy 4th, John!
Happy 5th tomorrow.
Another John!
And 6 the next day.
Oh, patriotic cake!
Apple pie,
Ooh, apple pie!
ice
And
cream,
what is this?
maha,
Maha! Ice
Ice
cream! Those are the food that I can eat. Fried rice!
well, I'm trying to be an older Challenger and a newer.
All right, the picnic is over, guys. So I'm heading back home. Karina and Hector invited us over to their house, so we're gonna spend our 4th of July fireworks over there. So I will see you guys later. Bye.
That's pretty.
Pretty, huh? Is that pretty?
More.
Hi guys, we are watching a fireworks with Ray Ray. Say hi.
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 Go like this. Oh. Yay, balloon! Beautiful! Yay! Pretty balloon! Wow! Magic!
Yay! Yay!
Wow, baby!
Huh?
Yay! No, no! Oh,
You okay, Mama?
it's pretty.
It's gonna yell again.
Wow.
Yeah, she's covered.
Covered.
Mm-hmm.
You okay?
Wow. Wow. Look at that, Lou. Oh, she's all relaxed.
Yay!
Pretty?
Pretty.
Oh, cool. He's fine. He's cool.
That one was intense.
I like it when it has purple.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I got it! Holy cow! How did I get that? Listen. I got it. Oh, this is my favorite one, the purple.
That's good. All right, guys, that was a fun one. That's our finale. That was amazing, guys.
Yeah.
Hi. Good.
Happy 4th.
It's 12 midnight, guys, so we're going to bed, and we had so much fun today. It's just an amazing day. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, press like, and ring that bell, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye.